Make note of the piece of paper for assembly instructions and future replacement parts. Take the two parts of the M3000 out of the box for assembly. Remove the lid and fill tube from the base unit. Set the lid aside for now. Take the fill tube and slowly hand tighten onto the float assembly. Now, attach the float assembly to the base unit. You will attach it to the end that has the flat side and the two indents for the float assembly to hang from. Now the M3000 is assembled. Put it at the edge of the pool where you'd like it to stay. Attach the hose to the fill tube and then fill the base unit with rocks to weight it down. Next, snap the top cover onto the fill tube. To set the water level, push the float up with your finger so the adjustment knob is visible. You'll adjust the white knob counterclockwise to lower the float or clockwise to raise the float to adjust the water level. Once the float is set to the preferred level, turn the hose on and the M3000 will maintain your water level. We hope this maintenance made easy video helped you. Should you have additional questions, please visit our website for additional videos or contact your local Rola-Chem products dealer or call us at Rola-Chem Customer Service.